Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open any browser and search it youtube.com and click on account. So once you are account, let me log in my account, and then you need to click on three dots in the top right and click on desktop site. Okay, so now you are in your account, and then you need to click on here. You can see that your YouTube channel is logged in. Then you need to click on account in settings and click on channel view advanced settings, and in the bottom you will find delete channel. Click on that delete channel, and here you need to enter your password. So let me select my account. Okay, and here I need to enter my password. So let me enter that, and then you need to click on next, and here you can see that click on I want to permanently delete my content. Then you need to select both of these options and click on delete my content. Once you click on delete my content, your all content will be deleted, and after that your YouTube channel will be also deleted. And here you can see that this will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with your account. So this is the process by which you can delete your YouTube channel permanently on phone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.